This is Connor Madigan, Solutions Engineer at Youreka. Thank you for joining us again on our 6-part video series. This is part number 2, where we're talking about use cases in action and how Youreka demonstrates some unique real-world wins for different manufacturing teams. And we'll go through a few quick examples. Our first example is with a company called Flexco. Flexco manufactures conveyor fastening systems, the components, parts, and tools to make all of this automatic machinery respond and operate in these complex environments. And they also offer customers valuable maintenance as a service. And as an output, they expect detailed assessments of their conveyors in the field. And how Flexco is using Youreka to meet this challenge, which was they required a way to streamline complex equipment inspections and really reduce technician ramp and training time around the world, was to use Youreka's critical capabilities and components to digitize inspection workflows and embed training content directly into the mobile forms and guided procedures that their technicians are using in the field. And when we're talking about concrete results observed with Youreka, what Flexco has been able to do is really ramp up technician confidence, consistency, and efficiency, while also really increasing their first-time fix rates, while that also has the lovely knock-on effect of reducing the times that we will need to re-roll trucks. But perhaps most importantly, and most critically to Flexco's initial goals, was to really reduce new hire training time from 3 months, an entire quarter, down to just 3 weeks, under a month. And they're all doing this while having multi-language forms with unified reporting that are deployed across the globe and are, of course, offline available. Another great example in manufacturing is a company called Diversey. Now, Diversey innovates on the cleanliness and sustainability fronts and creates unique, sustainable sanitation, cleaning, and maintenance solutions for different food service and other industries. And Diversey's unique challenge that Youreka was very well suited to solve was these technicians needed to complete essential safety and maintenance checks while ensuring global compliance across the brand, regions, countries, and devices, in addition to different languages and conditions. So what Diversey was able to do while using Youreka was to have mobile, offline deployed forms that are available in almost any language and have consistent service and deliver on this quality in over 25 different countries around the world. And once we've deployed Youreka with Diversey, what they have seen is an enhanced data accuracy, and this also comes with an efficiency benefit as well. Technicians are able to more quickly capture this complex information, and they have reduced compliance risk at the same time, so we're really stacking on the wins and nice to haves here. And they've also enabled brand and regional and even global standardization processes around the world. Our third and final example for this video is going to be Weber. Weber is a manufacturing company that has been creating and servicing commercial food automation machinery and equipment for over 40 years. And what Weber has done is have a requirement that Youreka is uniquely able to solve, which is transition from paper forms and bring those into the digital era while fueled with information from Salesforce in certain forms that are pre-filled. And what we want to see as a result of these benefits are the reduction in inefficiencies, delays, and inconsistent data. And this leads us to a number of critical wins that are all fueled by these digitized audits. And under the covers, these are all dynamic forms that are including very capable and complex levels of conditional logic, image capture, signatures, barcode scanning, geolocation tagging, things of this nature. And what all of these critical tools that Youreka brings to the table has allowed Weber to do is to eliminate manual data entry. So imagine walking around a clipboard with a piece of paper. Now I need to go back and rekey that into my computer. That is no longer the case with Weber now that they have deployed Youreka. And as an extra bonus on top of that, they get real-time visibility into their field operations while also improving the speed and standardization of all of these audit processes, with the even bonus goal of having these all be deliverables to their end customers as well. Coming up next, what we want to do is make form creation even faster and easier, and how we're able to make this possible with Youreka's new feature called Template AI Agent. We'll see you there.